Lee Phillips again. I want to stick with an IRA for 2 seconds. The question is, do I put an IRA in a trust? And the answer is no, you don't. Because an IRA is a unique thing to you. You have to own it. An individual. It's called an individual retirement account. The individual owns it. If you try and change ownership of the IRA to a trust, then you're going to probably click a distribution of the IRA as far as the IRS is concerned and all the tax consequences that come with that. Now, I want you to learn how to use a trust, so get my free ebook on how to use a trust, and we discuss this sort of thing. In fact, we discuss IRAs in it. But the IRA will not go in your trust. The question is, do I name the trust as the beneficiary? And the answer is, yeah, you can. When we used to have inherited or stretch IRAs before, 2020, I think it was, then we would always name individuals as the beneficiary of the IRA because they could stretch that over their lifetime. If we named a trust didn't have a lifetime. And within a specific number of years, all the money had to come out of the IRA and be taxed if it was an ordinary IRA, and the trust would get it. We could otherwise leave it in the IRA over the beneficiary's lifetime. And that could be a big deal. If the beneficiary was young and we kept it in this tax preferred, this tax deferred, this tax-free growth environment for another 50 years, that's huge. Now, generally, you have to take the money out of the IRA within 10 years. Even if it's an individual, it's named as the beneficiary. So I'm leaning maybe towards even naming the trust as the primary beneficiary for the IRA. That way the trust won't die. I don't have to worry about the premature death of a beneficiary, and then what happens to it. I don't have to name contingent beneficiaries. I would maybe still name my spouse as the primary beneficiary and then make the trust the secondary beneficiary. So you will not change ownership of the IRA to the trust. You will make the trust the beneficiary, probably secondary to the spouse. And, it's just the way it is. It's an individual retirement account, an IRA. So you need an individual. This is Lee Phillips. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and all of that stuff, and pick up the ebook. It's free. How to Use a Living Revocable Trust.